Spell is the local badge of abracadabra money, a decentralized money DeFi stage that permits clients to stake, loan, and ranch yields, with Spell filling in as the administration and utility token to open different elements and advantages inside the environment. Assuming you're searching for Spell token cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Spell token Spell will go from now on. We will break down the past costs of Spell token Spell and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Spell token is $789 and Spell is at present positioned #452 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Spell token is 107, 405, 628, 9969 with a market cap of $84 to 795, 553. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Spell with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Spell token is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Spell is down to nearly 14.5% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however, we don't feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. We anticipate future Spell token cost expectation Spell figure by applying profound man-made consciousness help specialized examination on the past value information of Spell token. We give our all to gather most extreme authentic information for the Spell coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Spell token market cap, Spell token volume, and hardly any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our expectations. Spell token value expectation synopsis. The negative cost expectation for Spell token Spell in 2025 is $0.15, with a possible high of $0.17. There is potential for Spell token cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $0.0122 toward the finish of 2030. The typical extended cost for Spell token in 2040 is supposed to be $0.6479, with possible fluctuation somewhere in the range of $0.6026 and $0.7301. As of the most recent update, Spell token is exchanging at around $7.09. Long-haul investigation recommends that Spell token cost might actually flood to $1.02 by 2050. Spell token value expectation 2024. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Spell token is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $9.98. The Spell cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.11 with the typical worth of $0.0. Spell token value forecast 2025. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.915 in 2025. The Spell token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.17 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.16 all through 2025. Spell value gauge for 2026. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.22 in 2026. The Spell token cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.26 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.93 all through 2026. Spell token Spell value forecast 2027. The cost of one Spell token is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0.93 in 2027. The Spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.38 with the typical cost of $0.93 all through 2027. Spell token value expectation 2028. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.95 in 2028. The Spell token cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.57 with the typical cost of $0.52 all through 2028. Spell token value forecast 2029. Spell token cost is figured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.71 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Spell cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.85 with the typical gauge cost of $0.73. Spell token Spell value forecast 2030. Spell token cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $-5 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $122 with the typical conjecture cost of $1. Spell token value estimate 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell, in 2031 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $144. The spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $183 with the typical exchanging cost of $149. Spell token spell value expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell, in 2032 the cost of spell token is estimated to be at around a base worth of $197. The spell token value worth can arrive at a limit of $254 with the typical exchanging worth of $4 in USD. Spell token value expectation 2033. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $337. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $334 with the typical exchanging cost of $315. Spell token value figure 2040. Inspecting verifiable execution gives setting. However, it is essential to perceive that previous presentation isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the figure and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of spell token is supposed to reach at least value worth of $0.6026. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.7301 with the typical worth of $0.6479. Spell value figure for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is vital, however opinion can be flighty. Looking at current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments, yet taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the greatest cost of spell token is supposed to reach $102, with a typical exchanging worth of $0.9394. The base cost is projected to be around $0.932. Spell token value gauge facts. How high can spell token go? The typical cost of spell token spell could go to $1 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will handily come to the $52 mark. What is the spell token cost today? Today's spell token spell is exchanging at $789 with the market cap of $84, $795, $553,000. What amount will spell token be worth in 5 years? In 5 years, spell token will have a base cost of $157 and a most extreme cost of $5 per spell. Since spell token is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth vacillates definitely. What will be the spell most elevated gauge cost for 2024? The spell cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $11 toward the finish of 2024. Is spell token spell a wise speculation?